guys, my name is Misha and you are watching Cooking with Dimples. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and feel free to leave any comments that you have down below. If this is not your first time here, welcome back. So today's recipe will be on my homemade salsa verde. Today we are making homemade chipotle bowls, and I'll be showing you guys how I make my salsa to go on top. Some of you guys have me on social media. If you don't, I will be leaving my link below so you guys can go in the description box and follow me there. But I am expecting, and I am 6 months pregnant due in July. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video because I will have a very special gender reveal for you guys at the end. So let's get to cooking. Okay, you guys, well, the ingredients for this recipe are Tamatillos, Serrano Peppers, garlic, onion, beef bouillon seasoning, a lemon, and cilantro. So we are going to rinse the Tamatillos and the Serrano Peppers off with cold water, cut the stems off of the peppers, and get them onto a griddle to brown. When they are done browning on one side, just give them a little flip so they can brown on both sides. Okay, so pretty much for this part, you can season to your own liking, but I used about 1/8 of a large onion. Usually I use about 4 to 5 whole garlic cloves, but I didn't have that, so I used what I had. I don't really measure my bouillon, so I usually just measure it in the top, but you can see how much I used for mine. You're gonna need just a little bunch, maybe half of the cilantro. And I used a little bit more than that, probably just like under half of a large lemon. Also, you can do that to your liking too. You're going to fill the water to that line. You don't want too much water. You do not want a liquidy salsa. And then you're going to put a lid on it and get it all nice and blended and incorporated. Let the flavors flow. Homemade chipotle. That's the beginning of the bowl. Homemade guac, homemade pico, homemade chili verde. Okay guys, well that concludes my video on my homemade salsa verde. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys take the time to make it in your own homes. If you do, please, please, please let me know how it came out, and let me know how you and your family like it. Once again, thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you guys so much. I will be back with you guys soon with another video, and please stay tuned for the gender reveal. My silly butt. Dun dun dun, and we are having a a little prince that we are going to raise to be a king. So this is his very first book that we bought him, and it is called King Baby. It was on sale at Walmart. I love it. We got him a couple little outfits, some onesies, some little shoes, some little outfits. Due to the coronavirus, we cannot have a baby shower, so we will be doing a virtual baby shower, so everything will be online. And when I do my registry next week, I will leave the links in my description box down below as well, along with my Cash App. But I wanted to send a very special thanks to my cousin Angela. She bought me this very cute Betsy Johnson diaper bag. I absolutely love it. I love it. And this is my first gift, so I did want to give a special thanks to my cousin Angie. Love you, girl, and I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you back shortly with another video. Mwah.